My coverage of Computex 2019 is sponsored by Techware, providing affordable quality computer and gaming products. There's a heap of mechanical keyboard stuff at Computex this year, but let's start off with some keycaps. Tai Hao had this tiny space but made the best of it with this eye-catching wall of caps. Tai Hao are in the mid-budget range and are pretty widely available around the world. They mainly deal with the typical OEM profile, so that's what you see on most mechanical keyboards. They are of course ABS plastic rather than PBT to keep the price down, however they are double shot, so the legend is another piece of plastic and will never fade away. And as we can see, they offer a whole lot of colorways to make your keyboard whatever color you want it to be. I didn't see anything really new that I haven't seen before, but some of the other stuff they have is like these cubic caps with translucent tops and opaque legend molds, which actually looks pretty cool in real life. There's the avatar caps that I've seen on KP Republic, which are actually available with some pretty good compatibility. So like the different bottom row options and the 1.75U right shift that's very common on compact keyboards. They do also have some Alp sets, which is quite rare. So those who don't know, Alps were the big guns before Cherry, so they have a different stem which makes them difficult to get a hold of. But yeah, there were quite a few people stopping and taking photos, so well done to them for creating something that make people stop and show that mechanical keyboards can be fun. Thanks again to Techware for sponsoring my Computex 2019 coverage. Stay tuned because I have a heap more content coming out.